Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to general management and then go to language option. Now from here you can change your language. If you want to set your own language, just tap on add language option. And from here you can set any language as you want. If I select English, then choose your region. If I select United States, then tap on set as default. And you can see in my phone language has been changed successfully. If you want to go back UK English again, just select it, then tap on apply and it's changed successfully. If you want to delete any language, just tap on edit, then select it, then tap on delete, then tap on remove, and it's deleted successfully. And that is how you can change language in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.